Hello all, hope you're doing well. So I'm in continuation to the same video, the same lecture that we were discussing. These are practice questions since my last video was too much elongated. I don't want to go beyond 35 and even I think 40 minutes like too much. I always try to make it 25, 30 minutes, like sometimes it extends depending upon the topic that we are discussing. So coming to this 13th question, when a compound A is heated and a gas B is evolved, which turn lime water milky. So remember we have studied till now lime water milky. The only gas that I've taught in acid basis salts is carbon dioxide. We do have sulfur dioxide also, which can turn lime water milky, but that's not discussed over here. So lime water milky, that means it's going to be carbon dioxide. So it has to be carbon dioxide. So gas B we are talking about is used in the manufacture of glass. Gas B has a property of extinguishing fire. So they are giving you one more hint that it's carbon dioxide and it's not sulfur dioxide. Okay, they are giving you a double hint because again you can say this can come to the mind that there are two gases, sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, both turn lime water milky. So which one it is? So they proved it by this statement. And it does not support animal life. True, we exhale carbon dioxide, we can't inhale carbon dioxide for survival, it's oxygen. Now the compound A and B are respectively what? So, compound. Now, looking at the option, we need to we have carbon dioxide in only two options. So this is wrong. This is wrong. See, sometimes you just have to look at the option, and half of the problem is solved over there. So now, if you see carbon dioxide is over here, right? And if you see the sodium carbonate, they said a compound A is heated. Sodium carbonate is stable to heat, so it's not going to decompose. Cannot decompose, right? So obviously this is wrong option. The only option left over here is D. So sodium bicarbonate, if you try to decompose, you will get Na2CO3, you will get carbon dioxide, and you will get water. Sodium bicarbonate is very much easy to decompose. So that's our answer. Now coming to, okay, I left a lot of space. I thought it will be lengthy discussion. Okay, next question. Turmeric solution will turn red by an aqueous solution of what? Reddish brown, red or brown both can work. So it has to be a base, right? So we need to find, since all are salts in the option, potassium acetate, copper sulfate, sodium sulfate, ferric chloride. So we need to find a basic salt over here. So let's talk about potassium acetate. So potassium acetate is CH3COK. Again, practice chemical formulas. It's there on my channel. Please go and watch. Then copper sulfate, CuSO4. Then we have sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Then we have ferric chloride, FeCl3. Now, if you see this potassium acetate, this is obtained from acetic acid and potassium hydroxide. This is a basic salt actually. So basically, we have got our answer. But why not explore other options also? So copper hydroxide, CuOH whole twice, and then you have H2SO4. So this is acidic salt because copper hydroxide is not a strong base. H2SO4 is a strong acid, so it's acidic salt. Sodium sulfate is a neutral salt obtained from NaOH and H2SO4. So these are both strong base and strong acid, so it will give you neutral salt, that is sodium sulfate. Ferric chloride is going to be acidic salt. How do I know? So if you see FeOH whole thrice, because you can see the oxidation number of iron over here is +3. So ferric hydroxide is an insoluble base. It has not dirty green, so it has reddish brown precipitates. And then we have HCl is a strong acid, so this is going to be acidic salt. So the only option left over here is not B, so it's A, potassium acetate. That's a correct answer. Then we come to the 15th, the last question. The schematic diagram is given over here. We have a solid. So if you try to heat it, you get vapor and HCl. So you have to find a solid, you have to think of the solid, that which kind of solid can give you HCl out of it. So the reaction that we have done in this chapter is decomposition of ammonium chloride gives you ammonia and HCl. So the vapor that we are talking about is ammonia. This salt is NH4Cl. So you need to find from this HCl. We get HCl on the decomposition of what? Now NH4Cl plus NaOH. So this is acid chloride, or you can say ammonium salt reacting with a base. This reaction we did in acid bases salts. Reaction of ammonium salts with a base. So now what we will get? We will get NaCl. This is a double displacement reaction. We will get water and we will get ammonia gas over here. So the gas they are talking about, this is again our ammonia, right? So with concentrated HCl, again you will get ammonium chloride. You shake it with water. So this is going to be same solution. This is ammonium chloride solution, nothing else. Okay, so basically D and you can say E are same over here. Now which of the following is an incorrect statement? So A and E are chemically same. A and E. Now again, see, question like incorrect. Please highlight, because we tend to go for the correct one. So it's incorrect statement. So A and E are chemically same. This is correct option, but this is not our right option because they are asking incorrect. A and D are chemically same. A and D also is chemically same. That's correct, but not our answer. D and E. D and E is also chemically same. That's correct. Then we talk about C. C is a gas and E is a salt, ammonium chloride. So this is our answer because this is incorrect. Rest of the options were correct, right? So now what I realized was like I should have just discussed 10 questions in these 5 questions in the later on, but I discussed, you can say, like not split it time wise correctly these two videos, but that's okay. So these were the practice 15 questions from acid bases salt. Still I have not done with this chapter because there is one more video that I want to upload with the extra topics of this chapter, then the concentrations part, and then we'll be starting with organic soon. Then we'll be starting with the matter part also. That's like different. So I'm planning to basically have two chapters on continuation, since I was doing just one chapter, but now I'll be simultaneously discussing different lectures of two chapters. That will help more. So again, if these videos are helpful, if they are informative, and you are able to understand better these questions, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, your family, so that it can be, more people can be benefited out of it. So this was a very short video, so thank you so much for listening to this video, and I really enjoy teaching also. And since I one more thing before going, I have written decoding chemistry in life. So I never uploaded a video for in terms of life things for all the teenager students and all any kind of students. We are students by not the age number. We are students in terms of how much curiosity we have inside us to learn. So I'll be uploading few things about in general life, like what I have experienced in my life, and how you can say I've saw my students experiencing their struggle and how they have come out of it. So there are multiple topics that I want to discuss. So I'll be discussing in general also, not only chemistry. So thank you for listening and have a great day and night, great life. Thank you.